Hello everyone, my name is Amit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So last video we have learned we have integrate some API uh, for the CRUD operation. Okay, so last video we have created some API. Okay, get API for the table that is also available in db.jsn. Okay, and I already created a one component that is called home.js. Inside the home.js, I have integrated the get call. Okay, get API, and whatever result are coming, same result we have display inside the material bootstrap table. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, project is running. Project is running. Our front end is running in the port number 3001, and our backend is running in the port number 3000. Okay, so today we will learn about the post calls, how to integrate post API, how to make post call, how to add data, whatever user input inside the form, and after the submit we need to display inside the table. Okay, through API. And here header also display inside the bottom, so we need to remove the bottom header. Okay, so close this one, go to the app.js, no, app.css. We need to add some css file here for uh, removing this bottom header. Okay, we don't need bottom, only we need only in the top, name, description, and price, color. So same thing display inside the bottom, so we need to remove this one. So first open the inspector and click in the cursor. Okay, and select this one, this one, this one. This one we don't need, right? So what is that? T head, T head. So we need to create a one css file, T body, inside the T body, because it's coming inside the T body, right? T head, T body, it's coming inside the T body. After the T body, so we need to create one class here, T body plus, T body plus. What is that? T body plus T head. T body, after T body we need to remove this T head, right? So T head, we need to remove T head. After the T body here, because if you able to see here, so here two T head displaying here, one T head header, one T head footer. So we need to remove T head footer after the body. So after the body we need to remove T head. So display we can make as a display none. We don't need to display, right? Display none. Display none. Like this, save it. Yeah. After the refresh, it's gone. As you can see, it's gone. Okay. So today we will integrate. There are 3 records. So 3 records are displaying here, and this is also sortable. If you click on this, so it's also sortable. If you are able to see, it is also sortable. Okay. In the one view, 10 records are displaying, but as of now only 3 records are displaying. So we need to add some css also here. So we need to add some css. So here we will provide one class name table data, like this. Copy this one and go to app.css. We need to add some margin left. We need to add some margin left 20 pixel, and margin right also we need to make as 20 pixel. 20 pixel. Okay, we don't need. So you get the some space in the left and right, and also at the top margin top 20 pixel also. So here also get some space. Okay, now it's fine. So today we will create another page to adding to create one form, and the form contain the name field, description field, price field, and color field. Okay, So if you fill the 4 field and after the submitting, we need to make one API call, post call get somebody, and it's go to the backend and update the get call. So return back to added here. Okay. So last in the previous video, I already learning Redux also. Okay. So today we will use Redux also in this video. So first we will create one page. This is the home page. Second component we will create add records. Add records.js. Add records.js. Okay. So first create one component, import React from React. Which library? React library. Okay. Const add records from add records. Create one component, return some JSX, return some JSX. Create one div. Okay. Create one div. Create one form. Go to the material bootstrap. Go to the material bootstrap. Search here form. We need form. We will add some inputs like this. Actually, that is good. Okay. So we will use this input field. Copy first import line and copy this one. So first what is the field? First field here name. First field is name. So here I am using name and paste again. Second field is description. So use description, and third field is price. Third field is price, and fourth field is color. Fourth field is color. Okay, color. Fourth field is color. We need to export it so that we will import in another and for a parent component. So export default this records. Go to the app.js and app.js and import inside the route. So here use the route. What is the path we need to provide here? /add. Okay, and element is our component. Add records. It is automatically imported. Okay. So go to the here after slash. If you add the route add here, so it's a display the form. Okay, it's a display form. So we need to design properly, and also we need to add inside the navbar.css and inside the home. After that home, we need to create another route here like add, and here put add like this. Save it. Here you are able to see add. If you click on home, so you will redirect to home page. If you click on add, so you will redirect to the add page. Okay. So close this one, close this one also. App.js we don't need as of now. Close this one. Here we need to search the form. We need to submit the form. We will create like this form. We will create like this. We will create like this. Okay. So go here. That is restricted. That is the chargeable. We will use a free of cost. So here. Okay, no worry, no worry. Just here add the style here. Class name form data. Copy the CSS, copy the class name and go to the app.css. Add here some CSS file. Left, margin left 20% and margin right also 20% and margin top at 20 pixels. So go to the code, localhost 301. As you can see, it looks like this. Okay, and add here padding also, padding 20 pixel. It's coming like this. So we will remove margin top here. Add the border 1 pixel solid, and same color we will use. Okay, go to the inspect and use this color also, border color. And what is the color code here? Background, no background. This is the border color. Okay, use this class 1 pixel solid. See, it's looking like this. Margin top we need to add margin top 20 pixel. So it's coming little bit bottom, and use the border radius also. Border radius 10 pixel. It's looking like this, and increase the padding 30, make as 30 pixel. Increase the padding 30 pixel. Okay, it's looking good. And go to the add record. Add one button here. Button, that is the submit button. Add the class name here. Class name btn hyphen btn space btn primary. Save it. As you can see, submit button also. Okay, so now we need to create one state here. Const equal to use state, and after the use state there are some object we need to create. Initially name, description is as initially it's empty. Price initially it's empty, and color initially empty. Okay, so form data and set form data, and create a one method for submitting. On click handle submit. Create one method here. Const create one method. We need to prevent it after submitting. We need to prevent it. E dot prevent default. And here we need to add some attributes. Name attribute we need to add. Name is name. Here see name like this. And value, what is the value? Value we need to add form data dot name. Initially it's a state value. Okay, it is empty. Initially it's empty. And on change method we need to add on change handle input data. So same thing we need to copy and paste inside the every field. Okay, it is already I already in the last video I already explained everything how to handle the input data. Okay, in the previous video, if you not able to understand properly, so please watch my previous video, so you will get a more clarity on the same. Okay, I already explained in the last 4 or 5 video also. Okay, format properly. Here we need to change name attribute, name value. Here is a description. Just copy and paste the same value here also. And third field is price. So name we need to change and value we need to change. Price. After that color, paste. Copy the handle input method and need to define here const. Here also we will get an event. So how to do structure? Const like this. E dot target. E dot target. We will get name and value. So we need to set a state here. We need to set a state. How we will set? Set form data. Set form data and here name. We will assign the value. It will compare based on the name value. So if you don't, if you're not able to understand, please watch my previous video. Here I am consoling. Here I am consoling. I am getting. I'm first we need to check I am getting the proper value or not. Okay. So here I am consoling. State here. Go to the UI. Go to the console. Refresh the page. Here I am entering some name, some product name like fridge. Actually, I am putting some value inside the name field, so it's also reflected inside the color. We need to check here. Go to the color. Name is the color. Okay. Actually, value form data dot value we need to change here. Refresh. Save. Refresh the page. Okay. Here, fridge description. This is the electronic device. Price 20,000. Color gray. After the submitting, see now only I'm getting the color here only. Let's setting color only. Why? We need to check here name, description, price, and value. E dot target. How to handle the form here? Go to the type success label icon group. Here some here. Okay, here we need to use initial state. We need to use initial state. After initial state, we need to set it. Save it. Save it. Go to the UI. Go to the UI. Refresh the page. Refresh the page. Add some value. Fridge. Electronic. 20,000 and color gray. After the submit, yeah. Now I'm able to get every data I'm getting, right? Here a gray, it's coming inside the key color. Key is the color and gray is the value. Okay, description is the key and the value is the electronic. Okay, based on this, so I'm getting. So after the submitting form, we need to make post call here. Okay, so we need to import some axios here. import Axios from Axios library. Okay, Axios library. So we need to perform here. We need to perform Axios dot post. And what is the post URL? Go to the postman. What is the post URL? I already created the API, right? In the db.json temporary JSON. That is the product. And I think same routes are there. Post call. Same route. What is the route? Localhost http colon / localhost colon 3000, that is the port name, /product. See, this is the post call, right? /product. Okay, /product / okay. And what is the second parameter we need to pass? Second parameter we need to pass body. We need to pass body. So what is the body? So based on this we need to pass, right? That is the description. We will check first description spelling are correct or not. Control D. Yeah, description spelling is correct. Description is spelling correct. So we will pass only the state here. Second parameter we will pass state, because state contain a 4 field, right? Dot then after then we will get some result, response result. After getting the response, we will display one alert message. We need to add alert. We will use the alert on the material bootstrap alert. Okay, so search here alert pop-up. Alert. This type of alert we will use. So success. This is the success alert. Okay. So go to the code. Add success alert. What is this? Is the success alert. Okay. We will display success alert after getting the response. After getting the response, mdb container, import these two files, and create one state here. Each alert like this. Const each success is success and set each success. Use state. It's initially false. After getting the response, after submitting the form, we will make as a true. Okay. And based on this, we need to display here. This container. MDB container. Remove all those things. Just put only the success pop-up based on the condition. Okay, it will display based on the condition. Remove, cut it. If it is success coming true, then it will display. Okay, save it here. Put some message. Data added successfully. Live. Okay, save it. Go to the UI. And go to the network tab. Okay, clear on those things. Add some data. Bridge. This is electronic. This is the electronic device. Price is 20,000. Color is gray. Submit it. See, after the submitting, see, post call is called, right? This is the post call. Post call is called, and what is the payload? Payload I am sending name, description, price, and color. Okay, so it's already added. It's already added. Go to the db.json if you are able to see. So same data you posted, right? So it's already added, and here if you go to home.js, so fridge already added inside the table. Okay. After adding data, we will redirect to the home page. No, we need to display pop-up message. Pop-ups not display, right? After adding is successfully pop-up message not displayed. So here if response coming, if response coming, then we need to make as a success. Else we need to make a set success false. To make false. Okay, and alert not displaying. Again add some data. Television electronic 15,000, color black. Submit it. After the submitting, handle submit, on click handle submit, event dot prevent default. Okay, fourth data already added. See, fifth data television already added, but alert message not displaying. Okay, just we need to comment it. Just comment this code. Just comment the API, and we need to test it. If I'm clicking on the button, so it's a display or not. Just check once. If I'm clicking submit button, not displayed. Why not displayed? I think prevent default. Prevent default. Prevent default as event dot prevent default. Copy this one. I think some spelling mistake here. Prevent. It's correct. I'm clicking this. Pop-up not display. Alert message not display. We need to check here. MDB container, MDB alert. Just for now, remove the condition. For now, remove the condition. It's a display or not, we need to check only. It's not display. Form. Okay. After the form, we need to paste it. No, I think some issue from this one. Okay, EMDB container. Why it's coming? Go to the console. See here some errors. Invalid call hooks only called inside the body. Component what happened? Mismatching DOM version. Boundary and behavior. It's not displaying. There are some errors. We need to fix it. Okay. We need to fix it. Okay. There are some errors. that's why it's not displayed. So we will use only here normal alert. Okay, remove this one, remove this one. Here, here, here we will use normal alert, 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 like this. Data added successfully, data added successfully. And after that we need to make form empty. Set form data. After adding the data, we need to make form empty after the submission data. Okay, and remove this one also here. And we need to make validation also here. We need to make validation here because there are field are empty, so button is also enabled, so we need to disable it. Once all field is filled, then button is enabled. So here we need to add some property like disabled. In which condition we need to make disabled? Here I am creating one variable const each disabled is disabled like that. So if form data, all forms, all input fields, when all input fields is empty, so in that case button we will make as a disabled. Okay, so form data dot name and form data dot description and form data dot color and form data dot price. All fields, if all fields is empty, then button is disabled. Save this one, assign here. So save it, check once. Now it's there. As of now it's enabled. So you will make as a not, add not here. Now it's disabled. See, it's disabled. Button is disabled. Once fill the form, mobile. This is the gadgets. Price 10,000. Red. Okay. See, after entering the red, after entering the field, all fields. See, here 3 fields I already filled, but 4th field not filled. So as of now it's disabled. Once we will fill 4th field also, then it will enabled. So after submitting, see, data added successfully. Once you click on OK, so field will get empty. And go to home page. So you can see you whatever data added inside your field, so it's already displaying here. Okay, so as of now total 6 entry are there. And if you want to search, I want to search mobile. See, mobile it's display. If you search laptop, so it's showing laptop. Okay, if you search fridge, so you are able to search it. So search functionality also working, and sort functionality also working, pagination also working. But as of now 10 records are there. So first add some more records, then you will able to find it's working or not. So I need to edit some more records for another fields. Laptop again, laptop price 50,000, color gray, added, data added successfully. And if you see, API already called, API post API called, and this is the payload. And after the submitting, form is empty. Mobile, gray, add it, data added successfully. Okay, and here change the message also here dot add another records cooler 5000 byte add it, data added successfully. Check it how much records are display. Nine records. We need to add more records. AC, this is the AC price 45,000, color byte. Save it. Add one more records. Byte. This is the two-wheeler byte. Add price 1 lakh, color black. Save it. I think there are 11 records. See, here is the 11 records, but in one view displaying only 10 records. So if you click on the second page or next, so you are able to see, right? If you go previous, so you able to see. If you change, this is the configurable. If you want to change, if you want to display 20 records in one view, so you can change it as per your requirement. Okay, so as of now in one view displaying 20 records, but as of now 11, so it's displaying only 11. Okay, if you change it 10 records, so it's display 10 records, and 11 records will display in the next page. Okay, so here already pagination also working. Add how to integrate add API, add API with post call. So I already here I already learned here how to integrate post API call and how to add data in the backend. So same we need to fix it. We need to learn it. Okay, so please watch my previous video and get more practice, so you are able to understand how to integrate the API, backend API to frontend, and how to send data. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. We will meet on the next video. In the next video, we will learn how to edit and update, and how to delete records. Okay, so thank you so much.